Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Root Expert. Today I will share with you how to add follow button on your Facebook profile to add more followers. So let's start. First of all, log in to your Facebook account, then click the menu button here. Now scroll down, then click on account settings, then privacy, then who can send you friend requests. Now select friends of friends. Okay, your work has finished. Now who visit your profile, he will see the follow button without add friend button. Just the friends of your profile will see the add friend button. So viewers, this is the tutorial for today. I hope this tutorial you feel good. If you feel this video helpful, please like and share. If you feel any problem or question, please comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tutorials. Thanks for watching.